Greetings from Orlången in Huddinge on this 4th of August 2025. Look at this beautiful, marvelous place. Now, I was actually aiming to visit one of the spots I have been 2 months ago, but now I have found this one, and this looks even better. It is much more convenient to lay down and enjoy here on this beautiful lake Orlången. Today is 4th of August 2025, currently 3:30 p.m. and this day I feel very emotionally attached to this day because on this very same day 13 years ago in 2012 I was competing in the Olympic Games in London and my big dream came true. So today I just took a bit of more time in the morning to process that big moment that I feel so emotional, and I always celebrate this date every year by putting a special post on my social media. I did also on YouTube. Wonderful sunny day. Well, there are some clouds here and there as such, but 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna see soon how much it is in the lake. And it has been quite a while since I was here, but last time I was here it was definitely warm. Let's see if I can measure here so I don't take the thermometer later with me while I show you the beauty here in Orlången. This one is next to Ballingstad, which is a farm, and here is my Scott that got me here 10 kilometers from my home exactly to get here. And I actually found a way that I can cycle almost all the way in except the last 200 meters, because previously I was cycling until the beginning of the nature reserve and then I was walking 1 kilometer, but then I realized it's faster this way. We can see also the farm on the other side that I forgot the name of right now, but it's also under shadow mostly right now over there, so it's not so good if you ask me. And we have 23 degrees Celsius in the lake, so exactly the same as the sea yesterday in Naka. But well, now that I think of it, I could have gotten to Erstavik also. It's only 6 kilometers longer one way, but yeah, I thought it's not gonna be this great of a day, and beach day number 80 on my Sweden beach adventures. I just can't believe it. All right, let's then row. I will later see if it is deep enough. I will jump later on and also swim at least 30 minutes today is my goal indeed. So on this very special date for me, it's time to go in for a swim in Lake Orlången in this beautiful nature here. Looks amazing, the water indeed, right? Oh, maybe there is some fire helicopter above me. Not good. Okay, so ready, set, and go! Woohoo! Another day, another beach adventure with Kris. Look at this beautiful place. And it's been a while since I was swimming in Huddinge actually, as I was mostly conquering the sea so far. But the weather in the first 2 weeks of August, it's not so promising. So I will be visiting some lakes as well during this time, as it seems like the hot summer is over because the wind is here, but still quite convenient and quite decent. And already at 80 beach days, and it's not even September, so we're gonna end up with 100 days this month, as there are 27 days left of this month obviously. if I don't book a last minute trip somewhere. Let's see. So here is also very nice to swim as well. There was one river later. You can do triangles here to the island and back and forth. It's quite nice. So I will be chilling here for a few hours and going for a swim later. But thank you so much for watching this episode with me once again on my channel that it is called what? Beach Adventures with Kris!